Hi guys, Leonora's Corner here. So I'm going to do an update video after the drought or the El Nino. And so far we have water and plants in Bermuda is going back. So by the way, I have a subscriber who requested for a mixed Tagalog video. So if there is Tagalog, I will explain it later. Or there is also some English on my video. Okay, so let's check the well.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I wanna shopping. It's my life. Money. Yeah.
Okay, so pupunta kami sa well, sa balloon. We're going to check kung maraming tubig. Kasi ang ulan dito hindi tuloy-tuloy. Ayan. Maybe there's snake there, Han. Matarik. Oh, di ko na makita yung bahay. And ayan ang boundary. That's our neighbor's space. Meron din silang balon dun. Okay, at ito ang sa amin. Buksan natin siya. Bigat. May duhat. Bali pangalawang duhat yan. Andin na namang damaan.
One load. Done?
Okay. So we can do one load, Han?
I think we can do one load a day.
Okay. Because we doing our laundry in the city. And once in a while I'm doing hand wash. So now that we have water, we can do laundry machine now. I don't need to close, I'm going to check after we do one load. Only see the roof of the house. Huh? I don't.
I'm glad to put it back where it came from.
Oh, sorry. Look at the Nara, Han. It's really get taller faster. So this is the Nara tree that we planted here. At marami pang iba. The banana is growing back after the drought. Actually, it's 7 banana that we planted the last time, and I think it's only 3 left. The other one is there. Hopefully it's some will grow back because there is a root underneath of the soil. Okay, so my honey is coming na. I'm gonna go back uphill. Too many grass to be sprayed. We're using spray to kill the grass, just like this one. And we have lemon and that papaya, but we leave it to the birds because it's grown near the septic tank. So it's just rain, kaya basa. Okay, so that's today's update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, because your comments help me improve my video. Thank you so much. Bye.